In this video, I'll show you how to add smooth custom animations to your Base44 app using Tailwind CSS. Let's get started. I'll begin by navigating to my apps and opening the Cloud Vault project. Once the editor loads, I'm going to use the chat interface to describe the specific animations I want to implement. I'll type out a request to add smooth custom hover animations to all interactive buttons and have the main welcome banner fade in gracefully from the top on page load. After I send the prompt, Base44 begins reading the current components, including the hero section, nav bar, pricing section, and footer, to make precise targeted edits. Now that is finished, you can see the results. The hero section now features a staggered entrance with a top fade in, and the interactive buttons across the entire page, from the call to action to the pricing cards, now have a professional glow and scale effect when hovered over. I'll enter the preview mode to test these updates. As I scroll through the landing page, notice how the elements respond dynamically to my cursor. The buttons now feel much more responsive with their new scale and illumination effects, and the navigation links transition smoothly. Even the social icons in the footer have a subtle glow that enhances the overall user experience. This simple prompt has completely transformed the feel of the app, making it look polished and modern. Everything is working perfectly, so I'm ready to move on to the next step. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.